Hey, what's up? Do you think sourdough is slow and complicated? Think again. This is pita bread. Fluffy, fast, fermented. You can bake it the same day or next week, even without oven. Let's make something simple, ancient, and absolutely addictive, shall we? In a medium-sized bowl, I'm gonna add 7 grams salt, followed by 15 grams sugar. You can use honey if you like. 180 gram water. This is a 55% hydration. 18 to 20 gram extra virgin olive oil. You can use normal olive oil if you want to. My beautiful active starter, 190 gram for this recipe. I'm gonna mix everything. I've used a mix of discard and active starter. You can use all active or all discard. And finally, 320 gram flour, a mix of whole wheat and bread flour. I have 20 gram whole wheat and 300 gram bread flour. Mixing time. It's not going to feel like a 55% hydration dough because we have more starter and we have olive oil in this recipe. Now you can use a little bit of flour and bring the dough on the surface, and time to knead this bad boy. You can add more flour if it feels a little bit more sticky. Don't forget the scraper. I'm gonna let it sit for 30 minutes, then I'm gonna continue kneading. After 20 minutes, I lost my patience, so let's see how's the dough. Did you see that? This is the result of resting. Now with the scraper, I'm gonna release it from the counter. Do you see how beautiful this dough is? I can knead it just a little bit more. Dough is more playable, smooth and elastic, and that's what we want. And that's it. If it's difficult for you to handle this dough, you can reduce the hydration. As simple as this. Now into the bowl, and I'm gonna let it rise. Transfer it in a smaller bowl or a container to see how it rises properly. Temperature plays the main role. In my room temperature, it takes only 2 hours to ferment. For this dough, we need like 50 to 70% rise. Again, I'm gonna flour up the surface. The dough should be airy and puffy. Gorgeous. And now cut it into the pieces and round it up. Can be 8 equally sized pieces. And then round them up with the help of the surface. Simply just fold all the side to the center, flip it, and with the help of the surface, round them up. First try to push it under itself and then lower the pressure and just round it up. As simple as this. Now cover them up and let them rest for 10 to 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, I'm gonna bring this bad boy on the surface and just open it up. Roll it up with the small roller. I couldn't find my small roller, so I'm using this one. And that's it. Let them rest for another 10 to 15 minutes, then time to bake them or pan fry them. Bake 1 to 2 minutes each side at 230 degrees Celsius. You can make any sandwich you like with this. It's like a pocket that you can fill with anything you like. Can be even ham and cheese, the traditional hummus, feta cheese, anything. But to me, a little bit of any kind of cheese can be feta, can be cheddar, a little bit of tomato, a little bit of basil or walnuts would be nice. And then extra virgin olive oil. I mean, look at it. Amazing. That little amounts of whole wheat bring lots of flavor to this bread. And then extra virgin olive oil. It's fluffy, a bit chewy, soft, fermented very well. I love it. Go make it and you will thank me later.